Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. POC, a supply chain carbon emission management system for the largest global brewing company. Through the carbon inventory management system, the carbon emissions of the brewer's suppliers and their production facilities were accounted for, helping detail the carbon intensity of their supply chain. Suppliers that share detailed carbon emissions data can be preferentially selected by such enterprises, providing a valuable benefit to major brands looking to reduce emissions and helping generate more business for suppliers. The brewing company was able to accurately manage the carbon emissions of their factories and have oversight of upstream and downstream supply chains, helping them realize the overall carbon strategy of the enterprise group. Next iteration of the green low-carbon ecosystem. The low-carbon ecosystem helps enterprises quantify users' green and low-carbon emission reduction behaviors, issuing carbon credits with data verified through the Vechain blockchain. In turn, users can exchange these credits for benefits such as insurance, healthcare and other benefits, creating a positive cycle and motivating societal action through reward. They help build the Shanghai Environment and Energy Exchange. The Carbon Management SaaS platform combines professional carbon consulting and carbon reduction methodology services, allowing enterprises to quickly flesh out and act on carbon reduction strategies. The project is committed to building a blockchain-enabled digital innovation platform that serves the burgeoning low-carbon economy, while catering for business and governmental needs through a rapidly deployable system. Proudly, the carbon contributes to China's carbon neutrality strategy and contributes to global sustainable development goals by tackling the emissions from a wide array of industries including chemical, building materials, food and beverage, paper, transportation and more. We expect the carbon to be able to scale rapidly in the coming years in line with growing demand for digital carbon management services. The Carbon's Food Carbon Management Platform. The United Nations Global Corporate Net Zero Pathway highlighted the many urgent challenges facing global food production. Produce goes through multiple production stages before it reaches the table, including R&D, harvesting, storage, processing, distribution and ultimately, retail, all of which generate greenhouse gases. To not only beat this, but stay above it would see it rally towards testing the $0.9 resistance level. Nevertheless, Cardano is still a long way from going back above $1 given investor sentiment, and the current market being one for the sellers. Credit Suisse Vet launching $200 million crypto options trading fund. CK Zheng, formerly the global head of valuation risk at European investment bank Credit Suisse, is targeting a $200 million fundraise for a new crypto hedge fund. The Wall Street Vet has joined forces with Felix Zhu and Yamuzu to launch CX² Capital, which will deploy strategies in crypto options to help deliver better returns with less volatility, according to Zheng. We can use options in a way that can substantially reduce volatility, Zheng told the block in an interview. Options, a type of derivatives, can be used to speculate on assets, but also are Wall Street's tool to squeeze returns out of an asset's volatility. For instance, strategies like long strangle allow a trader to take advantage of a potential surge in the volatility of an asset. CX² is plotting a way to deliver outsized returns in the market, while dampening the volatility of Bitcoin. In sum, the pitch to investors is that it can reduce the volatility. Lead up to launch, a series of use cases were carried out to demonstrate the efficacy of its solutions. We shared some of those details below. Carbon Emission Management SaaS Platform. The Carbon Emission Management SaaS Platform has built-in compliance with China's national emission accounting methodology and modifiable preset parameters covering 24 major industries. These can be easily modified to suit any level of need or to ensure compliance with other legal jurisdictions. The software quickly performs a variety of carbon inventory calculations and outputs compliant, officially recognized GHG emission reports with a single click. To inform its models, we're leveraging both of the two worlds. As for his partners, Felix Zhu is a well-known NFT enthusiast whose collection was featured in the Wall Street Journal. He has worked on building out two crypto projects, ARPA and Bella Protocol. Yamuzu, who got his start at Fidelity, has invested actively in the decentralized finance market. ZX Square Capital's pending launch comes as a wave of capital pours, buoyed by billionaire investors like Alan Howard and Paul Tudor Jones, enters the market. On the venture side, the market has seen a number of new multi-billion-dollar funds crop up, ranging from Paradigm to FTX. The next news, decarbonizing the food sector one data point at a time. From inception, Decarbon has been driven by independent research and technological development, boasting a 20-member expert research team that ultimately, Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents, and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price, 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.